Hey guys, back with another video. So today I'll be showing you how to customize your charging sound. So first you would go to shortcuts. If it doesn't come with your phone, it's free. You would click this. You would click automation. Let me just delete this. Create personal automation. Go all the way down to charger. Do is connected. Next, add action. Set volume. You would have to get set volume. Change it to 100. Add action. Speak. I spelled it wrong, sorry guys. Speak text. It would be down here. You would type in a text like subscribe to the Gamer Web, like my channel. You would subscribe to the Gamer Web. Like that. Next, when iPhone is connected to power, so you would turn off ask before running, don't ask. You would do done. You would do that. And hold on. There. Charging. Subscribe to the Gamer Web. There it is. You would share, move, you would click 3 lines. Alright, so this is what it will sound like. It might work, but y'all might not be able to hear it because I'm screen recording with my voice, but you'll hear it on your phones. Yeah, but guys, that's how you do it. It won't work for my phone because I'm screen recording with my volume on. So just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and be safe. And I will be posting tomorrow. So bye guys.